In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Outlook. So I'm here with Outlook open on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is move up to the top left corner and click on New Email. As soon as I click it, a new Compose window opens, and this is where I'll create the email that I want to reuse as a template. Now inside the email window, I start writing the message that I want to use again in the future. I can type the subject, the greeting, the body of the email, and anything else that I normally include. This is really helpful for messages that you send often, like responses to common questions or standard announcements. I go ahead and write the email exactly the way I want it to appear every time I use the template. Once the message is ready, I move up to the top left corner of the email window and click on File. This opens a small menu with several options related to the email I'm composing. From here, I click on Save As. Now, a Save As window appears, allowing me to choose where and how the email will be saved. In this window, I look for the drop-down labeled Save As Type. I click on that drop-down and a list of file types appears. From the list, I select Outlook Template *.oft. Choosing this option tells Outlook that I want to save this email as a reusable template. After selecting the template file type, I move to the file name field and enter a name for the template. I type something that clearly identifies the purpose of the email so it will be easy to recognize later. Once the name is entered, I click Save. As soon as I click Save, Outlook stores the email as a template file. This means the message can be reused anytime without needing to rewrite it. And that's it. I opened Outlook, created a new email, wrote the message I want to reuse, clicked File, selected Save As, chose Outlook Template from the File type dropdown, entered a template name, and clicked Save. The email is now saved as an Outlook template ready to use whenever I need it again.